Hello, Namaste. I'm Deepak Pawar, developer, founder, and CEO at Classibit. Hi, in this video, we will be covering how to manually approve an organizer when a new user signs up and applies to be an organizer. So there is an option. If you want to manually approve an organizer, you can set that option to yes from the admin panel. And if you don't want to manually approve an organizer and let a normal user become an organizer directly without any approval, you can turn that option off. So we will be covering this feature in this video. So let's first visit admin panel and see how to turn on and off this feature. Visit admin panel, visit settings, multi-vendor, and here you can see manually approve organizer. Currently this feature is disabled. So when this feature is disabled and you log in as customer, you can directly become an organizer. So let's first see that. We are registering as a new user. So here when you visit profile page, you will see this button become organizer. You can simply click on it. You can add your brand name and click submit. As soon as you click submit, you will become an organizer, and as soon as you become organizer, you will see a different profile update page where you can add your avatar or your brand logo, organization logo. You can add your bank details if in case the website admin make the payout manually directly into your bank, and you can add your organizer info here. You can add your seller name info. This info will be shown on the ticket invoice. You can also add your signature here and all that. We will cover this thing later on. So for now, we are covering the manual approve organizer part. So this is when the manually approve organizer is disabled. So now let's see what happens when we enable that option. So now we are enabling this manually approve organizer option. Let's save settings. Now let's sign up for a new account and see what happens. Visit profile page. Here click on become organizer, set your brand name and click submit. Now when you click submit, you will see this information here that your request to become organizer has been sent to admin for approval. Now as admin, to see that request, visit admin panel, users page. Here you will find this requested to become organizer. So first you can verify this by manually contacting this organizer, and then to approve this as organizer, click edit, and here you just need to change the role from customer to organizer and hit save. So once you click save, this customer has now become an organizer, and when you approve this customer as organizer, this user will receive a confirmation email that you have been successfully approved as organizer. So after receiving that email, the user can visit their profile page, and you will see that he has now successfully became an organizer and he can continue with creating events. We hope you found this video informative. In the next video, we will be covering how to create custom menu for header and footer. Stay tuned. Thank you.